Thank you. Now to the latest in the coronavirus pandemic. Some beaches in our area will be open this holiday weekend. However, there will be major restrictions in place to encourage social distancing. Coney Island and other New York City beaches will look a lot like this. No swimming allowed. Take a look. Eyewitness News reporter Marcus Solis live in Coney Island with all the details. So no swimming, but people can still get on the sand. But the weather may help today, Marcus.
Oh, no question about it, Mike. The unofficial start of the summer getting off to a dreary start, and that will probably put off the controversy about no swimming allowed, at least for a day, as the weather isn't expected to be great. So here at Coney Island, the mayor saying that, yes, the beaches are not technically closed in the sense that you can come to the boardwalk, you can get some exercise, you can put down a chair on the sand, but there's no swimming allowed, and there is no gatherings allowed on the beach, no sports for sure, and the Parks Department will be on hand to enforce it, backed up by the NYPD, which will be assigning its typical beach patrol units that it does for the summer, those assignments that get doled out in the summer. The mayor knows that keeping New York City beaches closed, at least for swimming, an unpopular decision. Nevertheless, that is what he is sticking to for the time being.
It's discouraging. It's very discouraging because we've made so much progress in the city. And now it's still being taken away from us. It's like we're still being punished.
Now, anyone who's unhappy about that, anyone who thinks it's unfair, the buck stops with me. This is a decision I'm making as the elected leader of this city to protect all of us.
The mayor saying that decision will remain in place even if New York City goes into the phase 1 of reopening. You can see the red flags up. New York City lifeguards began training this week. It will take a couple of weeks before they are ready. Nevertheless, it remains unclear when they will be on the beaches itself to patrol swimming, if and when that comes back.